So today I will be presenting on behalf of my group, and I'm Nicholas lah. And today I will be presenting on behalf of my group, and our idea is to implement a new feature on the CMS. So this is our vision. This is our vision. Our mission is the same as UCSI College lah, because we are doing something that is related to our college, which is to be the leading college renowned for its leadership in academic pursuits and engagement with the industry and the community. That is for our vision. And for our mission is to transform lives and communities through holistic learning experience that unlock the maximum potentials of individuals. This is for our mission. And today we are going to, as mentioned just now, we are going to create a new feature in CMS that allows students to propose their activities conveniently. So in the past, for me, I have proposed and I've hosted a bazaar event, and I can tell the process is quite troublesome. So today we are going to create a feature that students can propose their activities more conveniently. And so like how I mentioned just now, we realize that the current ECA system is time consuming and less efficient. We feel like there is more room for improvements and for it to get better. And sometimes the ECA points are not even updated into student CMS. I have participated in some events, and then they actually never give me the ECA points.
Go and claim.
Huh? Sorry?
Go and claim.
I'm going to claim. Okay. We'll do, Miss. Okay. Thank you, Miss. So this is the problem. This is our business problem. And then today we are going to solve this problem. So how are we going to solve this problem? Our solution is to, again, we are creating a better ECA system for the community of UCSI College. But how? How are we going to do that? Sorry. Oh, okay. So this is the new ECA system that we want to implement. And this is from the host perspective, the people who want to organize their event. So the students, because before this, we need to do everything manually. We need to email Mr. Zahin. We need to go search for Miss Ain for her allowance and everything to get permission and all lah. So we are going to invent a new feature that allows students to submit their application via CMS, and the feature is called clubs and events. There will be a new feature over there. Okay, so after they submit, is the submission successful? If no, means there will be an error occurred, because sometimes there is Wi-Fi problem and all the problem, all right. Okay, so no means there will be an error. If yes, means SAA will process the applications. Okay, and then after a few days, maybe is the application approved? If it is not approved, then the SAA will send an email to students declining their applications and what is the reason for their actions, right? Because how the SAA can get their email is when they submit their proposal, they need to write down type in their email, so SAA can get the email lah. And if the application is being approved, and then the SAA will send an acceptance email to students and promote the propose activities with the ECA point indication, the small logo that you see in every poster, and the QR code for participation. Right, this is for the host, how it works lah, for the host, for people who want to organize events. This is for the participants. This is for the participants' point of view. So before I explain on this, before I explain on the workflow, I just want to say we will be inventing a new QR code to the new or existing or the students, and this QR code will be found in the ECA points feature, the current ECA points feature in CMS. I will explain more on the QR code later. Yeah. So how it works is, as usual, the students who are interested in the particular event will scan the QR code provided in the poster, in the everything lah. So after they have registered themselves, right, we need to ask the question, did they attend? So if they do not attend, means they won't get the ECA points lah. They won't get the ECA points. But however, if they do attend, then the participants are required to show their QR code to the organizer. Why are we doing this? Why are we using the QR code instead of the traditional attendance way? It's because this way is going to be more efficient and less time consuming and less paperwork also.
Yes.
Okay, continue about this. So the participants
I think you have to I understand how you are going to propose. This one perhaps you explain detail during your implementation. Otherwise, you already done your assignment. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Your mission
Mark.
and vision.
Mark Zuckerberg.
Sorry, Miss, can't hear you.
No, your mission and vision. You have.
Mission and vision is.
Because you almost complete your assignment, yeah. If you explain that one, so we reserve to the last, yeah.
Okay.
Mission, okay. Conclusion, straight away conclusion.
Conclusion, don't have.
Don't have. Okay, never mind. Okay. Back to business problem. Okay, business problem. Okay, so now the business problem is that you want to reduce the time consuming for the ECA ECA system to collect, because you have the problem that you don't get your ECA yet, even though the event already passed. Am I right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, and at the same time, I think I have seen you mentioned about proposed event. Where is it? In the first line? First, seconds. Okay, we are creating something. We are creating. No. The previous one. Yeah. Our business solution. We are creating a better. Another one. I have read just now. You have no. Lagi.
Never mind. I go back to first slide and then.
First slide. Okay. Our vision. Okay. Second. Okay. Third. We are creating a new features in CMS that allow students to propose their activity convenient. Okay, so now you want to have the platform, the features in the CMS where you can submit your proposal.
Yeah.
Because we mentioned to propose the activities, right?
Yeah,
this one also become your business problem because it's time consuming to get approval based on what you just share with us, right? So your business problem is that time consuming, and then time consuming in terms of having ECA points and also in terms of submit the proposal. You see, okay, so there is two business problem, and the solution is back to the solution where you are creating the new features your solution, business solution? What is your business solution just now? Okay, so you are implementing or you are what we call extend, okay, extend a new features in the CMS where people can access to the features in order to submit proposal and also to get the ECA point. If I'm not mistaken, to claim your ECA point, you can just using QR code, is that?
No, cannot. They
No.
will update.
Update by who?
Mr. Zahin will update.
So the way he update based on the register that you have scanned the QR code.
You mean the traditional way?
Okay. All right. So you just emphasize that this is the two problem and also the solution that you come up. And then you can use the what we call the flow chart that you have. Okay, back to the flow chart. I think it is a very understandable on the flow chart. Okay, so you can use this flow chart for the implementation. Okay, for your task 2. Okay.
Oh, okay.
All right. Okay, proceed. Thank
Miss,
you.
so now anything we need to add on or?
No, okay. It's a good idea. Okay. So that's why I say.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's why I say you don't have to have a extra bagaza or extraordinary the idea. Okay, you can just have something that's surrounding you. Okay, like CMS, you always use that. But when you see that there is some lag, okay, where you can have for improvement, then take that as opportunities. Okay, so this is one of the example that this group have seen the business process that we have. Okay, in USSI, where the way you submit the proposal, okay, the way you can get your ECA point, okay, there is a lot of problem in terms of the time consuming. So this group have proposed to have these features to be extended in the CMS, yeah, to reduce the time consuming and also to make sure that it's a very efficient way. Okay, otherwise, like could say that you have to wait for Miss I, we have to wait for the Mr. Zahin to approve, and the student council, they have to check, okay, suddenly this one got NC and whatnot. So it's a very tedious and also time consuming. Okay, so this is one way that you can automate the system, okay, where normally we are doing on manual. Okay, manual is still business process, but then now it's being automated to the system. Okay, very good. Thank you, Ka.
So okay. Miss, I just print this out.
Yes, you can just print this. Okay.
Black and white or color?
No, black and white only lah. Don't waste your money. Okay.
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 Okay, thank you,
Alright.
Miss.
So, alright. So this group lagi, are you here? Nadiah, are you here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Jekitan. Yes. Jekitan.
Yes, Miss.
Liu
Hello,
Zijian.
Lai.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.